Body found in St. Elizabeth, believed to be that of another returning resident.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police say they have found a body in St. Elizabeth in South Central Jamaica and are moving to have tests conducted to confirm the identity, following claims that it could be that of missing returning resident Barbara Findlay. The 58-year-old Findlay, a photographer of Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth and Lupino Count Lambeth Walk, Kensington in London, went missing on Thursday, November 29th. Findlay was last seen at her home in St. Elizabeth at about 9:30 p.m. on November 29th. Her mode of dress at the time of her disappearance is unknown. The police said a decomposing body was found on Wednesday, December the 5th, in bushes along Beadles Boulevard in St. Elizabeth. Law enforcers said they were called to the area by a passerby who stumbled upon the body. Sources said the decomposed body is believed to be that of the missing female. However, the police said they cannot confirm the identity of the body until a post-mortem examination is conducted, but said they were not ruling out the possibility that it could be Miss Findlay. Just 4 days earlier, the body of Karen Cleary, a returning resident from London in the United Kingdom, was found buried in a shallow grave in Boscobel in the parish of St. Mary on the northeastern coast of Jamaica.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.